Is CapCut about to go away like TikTok? With rumors circulating about its potential ban along with TikTok, many creators are worried about how they'll edit their short form content. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, we're diving into the top CapCut alternatives that will keep your content sharp and your creativity flowing. First, we need to understand the criteria of a good alternative. The best app should offer easy to use editing tools, advanced features like transitions, text overlays, and effects, export options for vertical videos, and affordable or free plans. Now let's dive into the top alternatives. First up is InShot. This mobile app is perfect for beginners, offering tools for trimming, transitions, text, and music. Plus, it's free to start. However, you do need the paid version to export your videos without the watermark, but there are websites for that. As far as functionality, it shares a lot of things with CapCut, but like CapCut, this is ran by a Chinese company, so keep that in mind when you're trying to make your decision if that matters to you. For monthly, you can pay $3.99, and for yearly, you can pay $17.99. There are also additional packs you can purchase if you think those are necessary. Next is VN Video Editor. This is for people who feel like they need something a little more advanced. It's like CapCut's twin, but has additional features like keyframe animation, multiple layers, and even no watermarks in the free version. However, you can pay, of course. For monthly, you can pay $7.99, and for the year, you can pay $69.99. Nice. Third, we have KineMaster, an app packed with features like green screen editing and advanced effects. It's great for creators who need more control over their videos. It's great for both beginners and experienced editors who want high quality videos without needing a desktop. You can pay $9.99 a month for this one for the premium version, or $49.99 for the annual tier. However, there is an additional price you can pay if you want to, just trying to provide you all the options. But there's an additional price you could pay of $119.99 for the extra premium edition with all the features. Lastly, this is the one for those who prefer desktop editing, and that is DaVinci Resolve. DaVinci Resolve is a very much free powerhouse. It offers pro-level tools for color grading, effects, and vertical video editing. There are plenty of channels and documentation to learn this software, and once you get past the learning curve, your editing capabilities are limitless.